What if I told you that right now, this very second, you are sitting a few inches away from the greatest business partner you'll ever have? A partner that never sleeps, never complains, never takes a day off, works faster than a full team of employees, and costs less than a cup of coffee. A partner capable of helping you launch a profitable online business, even if you have zero skills, zero experience, and absolutely no idea where to start. Crazy. But here's the twist. This partner is already inside your laptop. Today, we're going into the 3 AI tools that are quietly rewriting the rules of entrepreneurship tools that can help you plan your business, create your content, design your brand, automate your operations, and scale your income faster than at any other time in history. Because the truth is, starting a business the traditional way is brutal. It's expensive. It's overwhelming. It requires multiple skills writing, design, marketing, sales, management skills most beginners don't have. And that's exactly why most people give up before they ever get their first customer. But not anymore. If you stay until the end, you'll have a complete blueprint for starting an online business with the least friction and the highest chance of success. Let's get into it. Number 1, the Content Creation Assistant. The first essential tool you need in an online business is a content creation assistant. Content is the foundation of everything. It's how people find you, trust you, and eventually buy from you. But creating every caption, script, email, or product description manually becomes exhausting and slows your growth. That's why this AI tool works like a digital co-founder that helps you think faster, write better, and turn simple ideas into polished, ready-to-publish content. This tool handles anything that requires writing: business planning, market research, brand messaging, social media posts, blog articles, YouTube scripts, newsletters, product descriptions, sales copy, ads, website text, landing pages, and even ebooks. It takes care of almost every part of communication your business needs. For example, if you're starting an online fitness coaching service, you can ask the AI to generate business model ideas, describe your ideal customer, list their pain points, shape your mission statement, and outline a simple business plan. Work that used to take weeks becomes a few minutes of prompting. In marketing, AI can instantly give you TikTok ideas, Instagram carousels, YouTube titles, monthly content calendars, and story-style captions. A full month of content appears in minutes instead of hours of brainstorming. For sales material, the AI can draft product descriptions, write ads, build landing pages, and create full email sequences. You refine the final message, but the heavy lifting is done for you. The biggest benefit is speed. What once felt slow and overwhelming now becomes fast and simple, allowing you to move from idea to execution without losing momentum. The key is to be specific. A vague prompt like, "Write a post about marketing," produces weak results. But a detailed prompt like, "Write a high-energy Instagram caption for beginners, growing their business with organic marketing, motivational tone, CTA at the end," gives you strong, usable content immediately. The more clarity you give, the better the output becomes. Number 2, the Visual Asset Helper. In the online world, visuals are currency. Your brand, your content, your ads, your website, they all need clean, professional visuals. But hiring designers can be expensive, and learning design tools can take months. This is where the Visual Asset Helper comes in. These AI tools help you create graphics, images, branding, layouts, icons, thumbnails, mock-ups, animations, and visual elements that make your business look polished, even if you have zero design experience. This AI tool handles anything that involves visuals, including logo concepts, color palettes, brand styles, website mockups, social media graphics, thumbnails, product images, infographics, short promotional videos, presentation slides, digital product covers, icons, and UI elements. It's like having a full design department at your fingertips. Example number 1, branding. Tell your AI, create 5 modern black and gold logos for a luxury skincare brand, and it instantly delivers professional concepts, taglines, and font pairings no strategist needed. Example number 2, marketing materials. AI creates non-stop visuals like Instagram posts, TikTok hooks, thumbnails, brochures, and banners without Photoshop or design skills. Example number 3, website and app assets. For websites or apps, AI generates custom icons, hero images, layouts, and buttons, giving your pages a premium look without hiring a designer. Short video creation. Some AI tools can automatically turn scripts into videos, add voiceovers, include transitions, add captions, include B-roll, create social clips. Perfect for content creators and online educators. Professional design without paying for a design team. You can create visuals that look like they came from a digital agency. Use descriptive language. Number 3, the automation and efficiency engine. This is the category that transforms a small business into a scalable machine. Because here's the truth. Most entrepreneurs don't fail because their product is bad. They fail because they get overwhelmed by scheduling, communication, repetitive tasks, and by inboxes, notifications, DMs, timelines, analytics. AI automation tools solve this by becoming your operations assistant. This AI tool is built to quietly manage all the repetitive processes that usually drain your time and energy. It takes over tasks like lead generation, email follow-ups, social media scheduling, customer service responses, order confirmations, appointment bookings, data entry, workflow automation, CRM updates, and even analytics summaries. In simple words, it handles everything boring, everything time-consuming, everything that keeps you stuck instead of moving forward. Example number 1, lead. Instead of replying to every inquiry yourself, the AI auto-responds, qualifies leads, stores their data, tags them by interest, adds them to your email list, and even triggers onboarding. This alone saves hours every week. Example number 2, content scheduling. If you post daily, the AI works like a silent manager. It schedules posts, publishes reels, keeps you active across platforms, organizes your content calendar, suggests posting times, and even repurposes old content. Consistency becomes effortless. Example number 3, customer service. For questions like, how much is your program? Or, how do I log in? The AI handles 70 to 80% instantly. It answers FAQs, sends instructions, provides links, and troubleshoots common issues, freeing you to focus on growth. Example number 4, workflow automation. The AI builds automated chains, such as when someone buys, send thank you email, enroll them, notify you, add to CRM, send onboarding video. Your business starts running like a smooth, scalable system instead of daily chaos. So here's your challenge. Pick one of these 3 categories today. Start experimenting, start building, start moving. Because the people who win in this new era are not the ones who wait. They're the ones who take action early. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which AI tool you want me to break down next.